Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to repost Instagram story by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Instagram application. So you can only repost someone else's Instagram story whenever you got mentioned from them. So the way how to check it, you just need to take a look on this side. Make sure that you're staying in the home section. Click this inbox. When someone mentions you on their Instagram story, they will pop up here, so you just need to go click it. And the next thing you need to do is just go click this add to your story. And now you just need to customize this story. You can make it like fulfilling all of the screen pages. Go click it. And you can also edit text here by go click this part. You can just tap any emoticon or any more words for informations or so on and so on. And then you just need to go click done, adjusting the positions too. And whenever you're done customizing it, you just need to go click add to your story and you're done. So you already got the same story with your friends on your Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.